to FinTalk channel, and today we are going to review the Australian premium solar company. And before we start review, I wanted to show you a few of my past reviews. That is the basic fly studio that I predict 150% profit gain, and you can see we got 179%. Similarly for Ratnabir Precision, which I reviewed and predicted a 50% profit gain, and for this it was 31%. Here similarly you can see that for Plot Infotech I predicted 41% and actual profit percentage was 23%, and the recent one Net Avenue I predicted a total of 40,000 profit out of this IPO, and you can see the IPO got a bumper gain of 133%. So you can see all these analyses are done through very seriously, considering all the data points to match the prediction so that we can make the profit. So let's start with today's IPO. So as you know, I mentioned the company name. So Australian Premium Solar, the company was started in 2013, and the company is a 10 years old company in the market. And what the company does, the company manufactures monocrystalline and polycrystalline. So basically these are used for solar panel, and they provide services to the residential, agricultural and commercial applications. And here we can see the IPO will be open from January 11th and it will be closed on January 15th. The price band for this IPO is 54, and in one lot one has to apply for 2000 shares. So this is an SME category IPO. The basis of allotment will be done on January 16th and the listing date is January 18th. So you can see here for retail investor, for one lot of share, that is 2000 share, one has to invest 1,08,000 rupees. And before this IPO the promoter has almost 100% of the shares, and after this IPO selling the promoter holding will be 73.64%. Now let's talk about the company's financial information, which is very crucial to analyze the credibility of this company. So you can see we have data from 2021 to 2023. The asset has increased from 35 crore to 34 and then 39. There was a slight dip in 2022. Revenue we can see 74 crore to 98 crore and then 94, and the profit after tax is 1.8 crore to 2.7 and 3.3 crore. So the profit has increased from 2021 to 2023, which is a good sign. After that, let's discuss the key performance indicator, that is nothing but the valuation index. So we can see the current PE is 23, the market cap of this company is 106 crore, ROE 26, ROCE 30. So any company which has ROE or ROCE greater than 15 is considered having a strong financial foundation, and that to equity is 0.15, which is very negligible. So now we have to decide whether we should apply for this particular IPO or not. So for that we need to consider two variables here, the subscription times and the GMP. So subscription times is nothing but how many times the investors are subscribing for this particular IPO. So if it is greater than 9 times, then there is a possibility, the greater chance that we will get the profit from the listing gain, and the GMP should be greater than 30. So this is nothing but the grey market premium. So for each share people are ready to give additional 30 rupees, and you can see the subscription times and the GMP on a real-time basis on these links. Now let's calculate the expected profit. So as we know that we have to apply for a minimum of 2000 shares. The price band is 54, so we have to invest 1,08,000, and if we assume the GMP would be 30, considering all the parameters that we have studied, then our profit would be roughly 60,000, which is 55% of our investment. So let's conclude this. So we see the company is into the renewable energy segment, which will be the future source of clean energy. The company provides installation service to the residential, industrial and agricultural users. So this particular industry caters all the three segments of users, and agricultural growth is yet to happen in India, and we expect that if the current government comes to the third term, then there will be lots of changes in the agricultural sector. And also we see the profit has been in the uptrend for this company for the past 3 years. ROE and ROC is greater than 25, which is a great sign, and the debt to equity is 0.15, further solidifies the company's financial stability. So in my opinion, if we see the subscription times greater than 9 and GMP is greater than 30, then we should definitely apply for this IPO to gain the listing profit. So thank you guys for watching this video. I request you to subscribe my channel to get more such valuable content. Thank you.